Hello developers, welcome to the ITC solution. Are you still struggling to get the interview calls? Are you someone who are looking for a job change but don't know how to start? Or is your resume is not getting shortlisted and you are tired of applying in a different companies, but you are not even your application is not getting shortlisted and you are not getting any interview calls? So all the problems we will discuss one by one here in the video, and at the end we will I will also give you the few platform or the few you can say the portal where it is providing the resume template. Using that you can edit your resume and you can make your resume ATS friendly. And after creating the resume, just use a few portals where it is generating basically the ATS score, so that you will have an idea what is the ATS score of your resume. Okay, so first we will start with the Naukri profile. So I will just give you the glimpse of Naukri profile, how it is basically working, and how the basically recruiter is creating the feeds, and they are basically searching for the profile. So let's talk about. So if you, let's say I'm just giving you the number of openings which is getting posted on Naukri profile. So here you can see 25,732 job posts and vacancies in Bangalore in September 2024. So if we talk about only September month's job openings on Naukri profile, that is 25,732. So that is very huge, I would say. So every month, like thousand of job posting is happening on the Naukri profile by the different companies. I will also discuss about my story, how I got a lot of call from Naukri profile. And not in a single day I used to get a call around 20 30 calls basically from the recruiters. So how I have maintained my profile on Naukri portal, and how basically my profile was getting appeared in their search feed. So those are we will discuss today. So here you can see only for September month, that is 25,732 jobs vacancy in Bangalore only, only Bangalore location. So there could be like lot of if you will there will be the millions of jobs if you will check the globally. In Naukri profile, what all things we have to maintain efficiently so that our profile will come in the search feed of the recruiter. So this is my profile. Whenever you are making the profile on Naukri portal, so that profile your profile score, or you can say this percentage should be the 100%. So that it means all the required field of the Naukri profile you have filled up. Because of that only it is showing the 100%. So let's talk about first here about the profile, how you can maintain. So first here you have to give the basic details, where is the name and the company where you are working in, and like your current salary, total years of experience, and then you can give your details like mobile number and this one email address. And about the notice period, please do not put even more than 1 month, even though your notice period is 2 months. So better I would suggest put 1 month only. And once you will get the call, just talk to your HR. Yes, I officially it is a 2 months, but there is some we have some negotiation option. So if we will go with that, only 1 month we have to serve. Because if we talk about perspective of interview, right, so that interview itself, it will take 2 to 3 weeks, even 4 weeks to get it completed. So once you will get the offer, just after that you can go and apply to your company for basically resignation. So, but again, that will, if you are able to discuss with your manager. So in most of the cases they used to give at least 20 to not 20 exactly, but 10 to 15%, like 10 to 15 days they will reduce. So again, it depends on the manager. If your manager agree and your manager is giving you, like if he is okay with that for like 1 month or 1 month 10 days your notice period, that is completely fine, and you can serve only with that much days in your company. So here these all details you have to mention. And next is resume. So resume we'll discuss at the later. So I'm just giving you a glimpse about the other components here on Naukri profile. So once you're done with the basic details, then you go and upload your resume. And here the resume headline. So this is basically your Naukri profile. So Naukri profile, we are maintaining all the details. It is a kind of your resume itself. So on the resume, again, you have to maintain all the details in such a way that by reading the headline only, it should tell to the recruiter you are like expertise in that domain and you have experience in that area, right? So maintain in such a way that it will represent your skill set and your experience. So a resume headline here, let's say for me, I'm a Java Spring Boot developer. So I have given I'm a Java Spring Boot developer since past 3 years. And here you can mention your basically the year of experience as well. And I worked on a various Java enterprise projects where I implemented RESTful API along with the full code coverage by writing unit test cases and end-to-end integration test case. So you can see here I have given what all things I'm doing day-to-day work basically, and how much experience I have and which domain basically I'm working on. So these all things has been mentioned in just two statement, right? So make sure you are giving a resume headline in that way. And then we talk about the skill set, and we are talking about the skill set. So whenever the recruiter is creating the search feed for any candidate, let's say he or she might looking for a Java developer. So definitely their job requirements they will have a mention like Java, Spring Boot, or some API, RESTful API. So think in that perspective, if you are a, let's say Java like Java domain people, so those all related skill set here you have to mention, so that whenever they create the search feed, those all skills will match, and it will increase the number of score basically of your profile, and your profile will get appear into their search feed. So mention those all skills here in key skill set. And then employment. This is very, very important to maintain your all employment experience, so that a recruiter once your, so first thing is that first your profile should get appear in their basically search list. Once your profile got appeared, so next thing is that recruiter will come to your profile, and he will check each and everything one by one, right? And this is why I said important. Let's say this skill set everything is done, that is okay, but when he will check, or he or she will check about the employment, she will have a like they will have an idea about how much experience that people has, and what all project he has worked on, and what all skill set he has basically used so far. So this is the basically important thing which will get noticed by the recruiter, and then recruiter will take action. This person, at least I should call this person to check the availability, and what all basically take stack he has used in their projects. And next is about the education. So education, you can mention all the education from, let's say, 10, 12, then engineering, and your master degree if you have done. And then here you have a skills wise. I have seen a lot of people, they don't used to maintain this one. So maybe they would have mentioned these all skills set here in case skills, but how much experience do you have on that particular skills? So that is also will add you the plus basically advantage on your profile whenever any recruiter will check out your profile. So at least they will have an idea, okay, this is the microservice skill set, and he has like 4 years of experience. This is SQL, and he has like 3 years, 1 month of experience. So he will have a like complete idea whatever take a step or a skill set he or she is looking for, that person have, and that person also have this much basically year of experience on that particular skill set. So this is definitely gonna give you the plus point. And here we have a project. So you have, if you have done some projects and you have uploaded, you have done some if you have done some projects and you have uploaded on your GitHub profile, so you can mention here along with the product project name and with the short description. If you will add here you can say the project title and project with employment, education, and client name you can say, mention. If you don't have any client, like let's say if you are working on the product which is like basically company's internal product basically, so here you can mention the same company name itself, and you can give the brief about the project, not exact the project what it is all about, just give the project. Here you have a give the profile summary. So profile summary means what all basically take a stack you have used so far, what all like kind of project you have done, what all basically how many number of projects, or what type of projects you have worked on. So those all here you can mention in the profile summary. And accomplishment, in accomplishment you can mention all the things basically which you have achieved, or like your online profile, GitHub profile, or LinkedIn profile, those are profile here you can mention. Use a sample work, like if you have done some sort of projects, even though that is a college time project, that is completely fine, at least that will be a showcase for you. And I'm reiterating, if you guys are in college, right? So if you are not getting internship, or if you're not getting like job opportunities, right? So better you can do your own projects, so that at least that will be showcase for your profile, and you can discuss about that project while you have an interview. So that will be a more advantage, because let's say if a interview is a 1 hour, right? And if you have done some projects which is very, very interesting, so in one hour, if you have, let's say at the beginning, if you have taken the 10 minutes by giving your introduction and about your like work experience and all, right? So still you have a 50 minutes. So if you have a good projects, 2 3 projects, and they definitely they're going to ask you about the project, what that project all about, and what all things you have used in the project. So what you can give, basically this will add a fun plus point or advantage you can say on your profile, because whatever the project you have done, you are very good at your projects, and interviewer will be very, very interesting to know about your projects and what all things you have done, because it doesn't matter how much you know and what all things you know, but it matters whatever you know, how you have applied, right? So definitely interviewer gonna ask those all details. So prepare accordingly those all things. Certification if you have, you can mention here. If not, then you can leave it this section. And then we have a career profile. So here career profile, you can mention all the basically which industry you have worked on, what was your role, what was the desired job basically type. Here you can mention your expected salary, and in the personal details you can give your like date of birth, and your if you have any career break you can mention here, or you can give these all details, and at the end these language. Make sure these all has been maintained very well, and this profile here, this percentage should be shown 100%. Few sample profile which I am personally maintaining for my friends, and will show you like how much basically their profile is appearing in the recruiter search feed. So here is one of my friend profile. So here you can see in a 30 days only, he has a total 7,467 search appearance in last 30 days, right? So this is like really, really like very good profile. And one more thing is that for a daily basis, whenever you are maintaining a profile, make sure on daily basis every day at 9 a.m. You are coming to your, you are logging to your basically Naukri profile and you are doing some changes. Let's say just update something and just save it again, so that it will make sure in the portal itself your profile is active and daily basis you are coming and you're applying and you are looking for a change, basically looking for a job. So this is mandatory to appear your profile maximum into the search feed of the recruiters, right? So here you can see 7,322 and this much is the recruiter actions. Think of it, you want only one job and here we have 497 recruiter actions. So recruiter actions is nothing but they will send you these invites, right? These all invites they will send you. Maybe they will download your resume and will call then later they will call you. So at least your profile is getting noticed by the recruiter and there is some actions is going on your profile. It means your profile is active and your profile is performing very well on Naukri profile. So, and another one more example is this one you can see. She has also 8,444 search appearance and 411 recruiter actions. So if you are maintaining your profile in a very good manner, definitely you will get a call. And the one more thing, important thing is that every day at 9 a.m. you have to come log into your system and you have to like do some update or some changes in your profile. That's all about in today's video. So if you guys have any questions or if you want this template resume to make your resume, and even if you want to optimize your Naukri profile or LinkedIn profile in efficient way, just comment below in the comment section and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you are like, if you guys want to have a QA session with me so that I can help you to make your resume more clear and crystal, and I can also help you to optimize your Naukri profile and the LinkedIn profile. So just comment in the below in the comment section, and me I will try to keep one session with you guys. There I will try to take few of you resume and I will suggest some changes on that, and yeah, we'll discuss together. So thanks for watching my videos.